Hello, this is Bob Hootmacher from my studio in Chicago. I want to let you know about my latest album released. It's called The Nature Suite. We recorded it last summer in Italy with Orchestra da Camera di Perugia. It is a wonderful collection of 16 movements, all classical in style, just orchestra, and they express various aspects or places in creation. You can find it at cdbaby.com, iTunes, Amazon.com, and many other outlets around the world. I would also appreciate if you would help support us simply by letting your friends know about The Nature Suite, your friends on Twitter or Facebook or email. Thank you for your support and spreading the news, and may God give you peace.